Oh, hi guys, and welcome back to Violin Teacher YouTube channel. I was just practicing the vibrato when I realized that when I play, my violin really moves around a lot. You have that problem too? Stick around and I'll give you a tip that'll take that problem out of the equation. Okay, so I'm standing here pretty close to this wall, as you can see. And the trick is to keep the violin stable while you're practicing your vibrato. And so I want you to approach the wall very carefully with your scroll. Very carefully tap it against and stabilize your violin. Try to keep a nice level playing field there. Okay, don't be way up here like this or way down here, and try not to scar your instrument. Okay, now that you feel pretty stable, practice your vibrato. Yay, violin stability. I hope this tip works for you. If you like this video, please like it with a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.